Hello dear students, welcome back to the science lessons. Our lessons for today be about the changes in state. First of all, let me remind you some things about the matter. We say the matter is anything around us that has a mass and takes up space. Matter has three states. Three states of a matter. What are three states of matter? First of all is a what? Solid state, liquid state, and gas state. A solid state matter has defined shape and defined volume. It means the volume and the shapes of a solid substance will not change. For example, you have a pen. Pen is an example for solid matters. When you take a pen inside a pencil case and when you take a pen inside anywhere or box, the shapes of the pens will be look like the first time. Okay, it means it doesn't change. And the volumes is too. It means the volume, it doesn't change. But liquid state, the liquid matter has defined volume but no defined shape. It means the volume of a liquid matter will not change like a solid matter, but the shapes of liquid matter will change. For example, water and the juice or coffee or something else are an examples of what? Of solid matters. When you pour orange juice from a jug into a glass, the shapes of the juice changes to fit the container. It means the first time the juice shapes will be like a juice, will be like a jug's shape, okay? But when you pour the juice into the glass, the juice shapes will be look like the glass shape, okay? The last one, a gas doesn't have a specific shape or volume. It means the volume and the shapes of a gas state of a gas matter will change. What are three states of a matter? Right now I explained. First one is a solid, second one is a liquid, third one is a gas. Okay, in this picture we have three states of a water. Here we have ice, and in the air we have a gas, and here we have a water. Water is a liquid and ice is a solid, and here air it's a what? It's a gas. In the pictures we have states of a matter. First of all, we will start from the solid state. The solid matter, we have ice, cubic ice. The shapes of a cubic ice and the volume of cubic ice, if you change its place, it doesn't change. Okay, it means the cubic ice will stay in this form. But in here we have the second state, it's a liquid. The liquid shapes will change by the shapes of the container. First time, the shapes of a water it be look like the cylinders, and the second time it be look like the containers, a flask tube. Okay, and here we have a gas. The last one, gas, it's a look like a cloud, but it doesn't have shape. Okay. Every time maybe used to see many substances in only one state. Maybe every time you said that nitrogen it's just a gas, okay? We don't have a nitrogen in other states. Or maybe you can say aluminum is a solid, and or iron is always it's a solid states, okay? Solid matter. But all substance, you have to know that all substance can change states. like a water. Right now I explain this to you. It means all substance can be a liquid, can be a gas, can be a solid. Okay, but how they will change? By the temperatures. Okay, by the temperature, by some process. The first of all, we have freezing. Freezing changes a substance from a liquid to a solid. From a liquid to a solid. For example, when you have water, okay, water is a liquid, okay, when you put into a freezer, what will be happen? The water will be changed to the ice. The ice, it's a what? It's a solid substance. This a process we can say to it freezing. And here we have a melting. Melting is a changing in a state from a solid to a liquid. Like what? Like ice. When the ice will be melt from a solid, it will change to the liquid, to the water. And here we have a sublimation. Process of sublimation, changing in states from a solid to gas without passing through the liquid state. It means the solid will change to what? To a gas without melting or passing through the liquid states. Example for sublimation, it's a dry ice. Dry ice, which is what? Which is a solid carbon dioxide sublimise. It will change to what? It will change to a cold gas that look like a smoke. Okay? And here we have some points, freezing point and melting point. Pure substance has its own temperature at which it changes from a liquid to a solid. It means the changing substance from the points that the substance will change from a liquid to a solid, we can say to this point, to this temperature, freezing point. Okay? And changing substance from a solid to a liquid, in this point we can say to its melting point. Okay, here we have an example of a what? Of sublimation. That one, it's a what? It's a dry ice, as I explained right now. Dry ice, in a warm temperatures, what will be happen? It will change to a gas, cold gas, look like a smoke. Here we have it. First time it was like that, and then it will change to this shapes, to this vapor, to this gas. Evaporation and condensation. There are two more processes of a changing substance or matters from one state to another state. Here we have a boiling. Boiling is a look like evaporation, but there is a little difference, and now I will explain to you. Boiling, changing a substance from a liquid to a gas. It means the substance will change from a liquid phase to a gas phase. For example, when you heat a water, okay, the water will be what? Will be boiled, and then after boiling points, what will be happen? The water will be raised in a gas form, in a vapor form. Okay, it means it's change from the liquids to a gas. And here we have a what? Evaporation. Evaporations occurs when particles escape from a non-boiling liquid and become a gas. In evaporations, before the liquids will reach to the boiling point, the particles will escape and it will change to a gas. But in a boiling, the particles will escape from the liquids when they will reach to the boiling point. But in evaporation, they will not reach to the boiling point and they will escape from it. And here we have a condensation, changes a substance from a gas to a liquid. From what to what? From a gas to a liquid. For example, when you have a bottles of water and the water is cold, okay? When you put in a warm place, what will be happen? The drops of waters will be what will be appear on the outsides of a bottles. Because of what? Because of the water vapor in the air will be condensed in the forms of drops of water. Okay? And here we have what? The temperatures that the substance will change from one stage to another stage, we can say to it a point. Okay? A point. In a point that the substance will change from liquids to a gas, it's called a boiling point. Okay, the boiling point of water is what? It's 100 degrees of Celsius. Okay, here we have we have three states. Here we have three states of matter: solid, gas, and liquid. Ice, it's a solid. Water, it's a liquid. Clothes, it's a gas. Okay? When the solids will change it to a gas, we can say to it sublimation. Okay? When the solids will change to what? To a water, it will be what? Melting. When liquid will change to a solid, we can say to it freezing. And when the water or liquid will change to a gas, it will be what? Evaporation. When the gas will change to the liquid, it will be a condensation. Hope you understand it well. Thank you for watching and listening. Bye bye.